Welcome to your sixth video in Android development course for beginner. And on this video you will learn how to design an Android app to convert megabytes into megabits. And we need text view and edit text. Besides those, we need function to convert megabits into megabytes when megabytes equal 8 megabits. In Android Studio, in activity main, we will need two text view element beside two edit text and we will name the first one megabytes and the second one will be, of course, megabits. And we will increase the size of the text. And that is all for this video. In the next video we will write a function to convert megabytes into megabits.